Happy holidays, everybody. Can't wait to see you in the spring. Have a nice, relaxing break.
Hey, Monmouth College students, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy your break. We're looking forward to getting you back here in January.
Happy holidays, Fighting Scots. We'll see you after the first of the year.
Hey, it's Janice Mars Wunderlich, and I want to wish everyone a very happy holiday. I'm going to be busy babysitting all of my students' plants while they're gone on Christmas vacation, so I'm going to be taking good care of all the plants that you see, taking care for my students. But I hope you all have a great holiday break and get yourselves back here at the end of January so we can make art together.
Happy holidays, Scots. I hope you get some rest, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the spring.
Happy holidays from Monmouth Basketball.
Elvis and I say have a fabulous, fabulous break. We all deserve it.
Happy holidays, everyone. May you have a joyous new year.
Roll Scots.